Bird nesters offer a safe sanctuary for small birds to nest for a season, to lay and hatch eggs. This collection of bird nesters is crafted from recycled sari, hogla leaf, banana leaf fiber, and other sustainable materials. These are handcrafted by artisans in Bangladesh and are fair trade products. Due to the use of recycled materials and the handcrafted nature, each item will be unique in color and details, while the size and shape remain consistent. Each nester includes a sturdy craft paper hang tag with information about the collection,